Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about a trending topic. Everyone used to convert their pictures into Ghibli style. So from the past few days I am seeing like lot of people doing this Ghibli style. So I want to try to convert an image into Ghibli style, and I want to share it with you guys, how to change an image to into a Ghibli style. Okay, now let's start. First of all, you just give chart GPT. You can click on chart GPT, and normally it will ask you for logging after giving the chart GPT. Now as I have already logged in, so it will not ask me to log in. This is not a paid version also. like um, After clicking on the chart GPT, it will ask you to log in with some Gmail, and if you continue with your Google account, which is already attached to your phone or else your laptop, it will automatically, if you click on the continue with the Google, then it will automatically ask for your name and date of birth, and then it will automatically direct you to the following page. And here you can upload the picture which you wish to turn to the Ghibli style. So I am taking this picture, and here you write a sentence like, could you please create a Ghibli style for this image. Hit enter. It's loading. It's very simple. You should give the image which you wish to change, and you should give a sentence like it is nothing but it is not a sentence, it is like a command. Okay, you could give a command like, could you please create a Ghibli style for this image, and here it's been loading. Let's see how the outcome will come. The original picture is this, and let's see how the outcome will come. And meanwhile you guys can try the same thing from your laptop, iPad, mobile, desktop, everything, from anywhere. Okay, it is not limited to any source. And due to this Ghibli style, like lot of users have been asking for this Ghibli style, the CEO has tweeted in X mm, please let us sleep. Lot of users are requesting for a lot of photos, so it is taking a lot of time, and due to this servers will not run very speed, right? So maybe it will take time. So per day you can only create 3 photos for one Gmail. So if you want to create more photos in your, like if you want to change more photos in a Ghibli style, like you can try by accessing with another Gmail, and by accessing with another Jar GPT account. And if it is paid, I don't know about the paid version, because the paid version, I have not used the paid version. Now right now I am using the trial version of ChatGPT. So I have an access for creating for turning the images into just three images. I can convert into Ghibli style. Unfortunately it is taking a lot of time for me, I don't know why. So I'm also eagerly waiting to see the Ghibli image which was created by the ChatGPT. And also you guys could try this command, and you guys could tell me the review, like whether it is worked for you or not, and how much time it has been taken for you. And you guys could here you can see image is created. Wow. Here you can click on the download, and you can see like how the download went. Wow, really magnificent. It's very beautiful. Here is your Ghibli style illustration. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments. Like if you want you can copy this command and you could give like I want to, you can give the command to chat gpt like what kind of changes would you like to do in the following image. Okay, and like while giving this picture also you can give the commands like I want to change this picture into the Ghibli style, but you can mention like you should change the background into so and so color, or else you could change the size of the picture, or else you could change the texture of the person, or else you can give the command like you should mention the quote like um, like if you want to give any quote in the top of the person, then you can mention the same thing in the command. Like you should mention everything clearly, and you should give the you should enter the command, because you have only three chances for creating the image. So better for, I have utilized one chance for turning this picture into this picture. So if you give the second time, then it your second option will be completed. Like you will have three chances, right? So this is the first chance, and if you want to change anything, like it would be the second chance, and you will have one final chance for the free version. Okay, I hope you guys have understood the like how to convert an image to a Ghibli style in the by using the chat gpt. And you guys please try this your own and tell me your feedback in the form of comments. And you guys please like this video if you think my knowledge is worth and my explanation is worth for you. Like my explanation helps you to turn your image into Ghibli style. And you guys could subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. And that's all for this day, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye, see you in the next video.